Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete your Facebook account on PC or laptop. So first of all, just need to open your Facebook on your web browser and basically click on the profile icon at the top right and click on settings and privacy. And then here, click on this settings. And once you click on this one, you will now go on the next page. Now here, go to the side menu and you want to click on this Meta Account Center. See more in Account Center. So once you click on this one, you'll find this profiles. So when I go here on personal details, so click on this. Now under your personal details, click on the account ownership and control. And here, click on the activation or deletion. Now on the next page, just need to select your Facebook account right here. So click on this one. And from here, you have two options if you want to deactivate account temporary or you want to delete permanent. So you want to delete this account. So right from here, so click on the delete account and then click on continue button. Now here, as you can see, pages and additional Facebook profiles that will be deleted. So all of these are or will be deleted. So click on continue and select the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. So for example, I just want to pick on the middle right here and then click on continue button. And then it will show you here staying safe on Facebook. So basically just need to continue button right here. And then you will find this next page, permanently delete account. So scroll down to the bottom and tap on this continue. Now to confirm your account deletion, you want to re-enter your Facebook password. So after that, your account will be deleted. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.